Hey everybody, how's it going? A little post-Christmas tool haul video for you. Um, Mostly tools. Let's see. First of all, it's mostly stuff my wife got me off my Amazon wish list, which is mostly tools. Mostly. So this was it's a universal clutch alignment tool. You can use it. It's metric and standard. It's just various fittings, and you can use a combination of them. Oh, that'll go away. This one will go in there. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, you can use them in any combination to align clutches up when your clutches up with the output shaft, the input shaft, all that. It's all good. Most clutches come with a little cheap plastic alignment tool, but not all do. And if you're taking apart your car, you're reusing the same clutch, you don't have the tool. Most people throw them out. I had a drawer full of them and I ended up throwing them out a couple of years ago. I probably should have kept them. So yeah, there was that. It's like a no-name brand, some Chinese brand. It's doesn't need to be a quality tool. Like I said, the ones that come with the kit, the clutches, are made of plastic. These are steel and they don't sound too bad. They're a decent steel. Oh, there's the name, the brand, DP Tool. So there you go. May do a video on these at some point. I'll have to change the clutch in my Miata soon. Okay, we'll get that out of the way. Next up, let's go with this. I needed a new welding helmet because my old one was just, I don't know. It was cheap to begin with and starting to get really crappy. So there you go. It's not the most expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. It's an auto dark helmet. Nice headgear on it is what I like. You know, nice adjustable back for the head. Big viewing window. I forget what it is, 3.7 by 3.75 or something like that. Does it say here? No, it doesn't. But anyway, it's got a bunch of knobs on the side. I haven't even really looked at this yet. So that's your shade. Goes all the way from, what do we got? 10, 12, 13. So it goes from a 5 to 13. There's weld mode, cut. So weld would be for welding, of course. Cut would be if you're using a cutting torch, maybe a plasma cutter, not sure. Grinding would just be for grinding, so that would be pretty much clear. There's a delay, fast, medium, slow, and sensitivity, light sensitivity, I'm guessing. So that would be the adjustment for that. Battery go inside there. You see that? Where are we? There we go. Sorry. So yeah, that's it. And it came with a nice bag, which I like because I lost the bag from my old one. And it leads to a ruined helmet. So if you can, or if yours doesn't have a bag, get a bag. It'll save you. So yeah, this is the brand. You pronounce that for me, okay? Zixvogen. Zixvogen. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. It's a cool bag. I like it. Okay, so we'll put that away for now. Next up, a new steering wheel for my Miata. Don't really care for the other one now. It's a bit small when I bought. I'll do a video on this when I put it on in summertime. But it's nice. It's just a black Nardi wheel. It's an actual Nardi, not a fake. It has the red stitching. Can you see? See if I can take that off. There we go. There you go. So if you look on the inside, it's got a red stitching to it. It should look nice in the car. I like it. Anyway, let's just put that like that. And move that out of the way. What is this one? This one goes along with it. Again, these are things my wife bought me off my Amazon wish list. A new shift knob to go with it. Just the same, black leather wrapped with red stitching. Little chrome bezel around the bottom. It comes with various adapters. so it'll fit just about anything. So put that back in there. Stick that there for now. Oh, those are the batteries for with the welding helmet. Don't want to lose those. Oh, what else did I get? Oh, this, yes. Anybody that works on cars, what's the most common thing you work on? Brakes. Always brakes. I have various caliper. I have the whole caliper kit, rewind kit that turns it and does all the other stuff. I've got different spreaders and stuff. But I've always wanted one of these to try it, you know, so neat. So yeah, that's the idea. You turn this ratchet handle and it spreads them apart. You click it just like a ratcheting wrench and it goes the other way. So yeah, the reason I picked this kit is because it comes with wider pads for multi-piston brake calipers. So there you go. It's not a bad tool. I think that was around, I want to say 30 bucks. I'm thinking. Another thing I got was this, one of these cool flexible funnel type dealies made in China. Oh, the brake tool is just Freetech ratcheting caliper tool. That's the brand, Freetech. So you can look them up on Amazon. Let's see if I can get this open. This is great for doing stuff like changing the oil in my air compressor, my snow blower, stuff where, you know, as soon as the oil, take out the oil drain plug and it just comes out over part of the frame, or what else in your car, like over the steering rack. So this is just kind of, you can use this as a flexible, it maintains its shape. So, you know, so if that's your frame and the oil drain is way over there, as soon as you take the plug out, it's going to go splash there and splash all over. Or you can go like that. And that'll just direct this into your funnel or into the drain pan, whatever you're using for. Good for all sorts of things. I just used to have a sheet of, it was kind of a weird plastic that wouldn't really hold its shape very well, but I could bend it and make it stay. And it just got brittle and broke. So we'll see how this works out. Brittle and broke. That should be the name of the story of my life. What else? I don't know. I've got a couple of wires and a Allen key and some screws. What the heck is this? Oh, those for my steering wheel. Okay, let's not lose those. The other thing I got were these two little HIYITKS. That's the brand. Tire air chuck. 8mm. Two of these. And I just want them to replace on one of my Ryobi. I only need one, but two is a good deal. So yeah, it's just one of these types. You know, it locks on. A lot easier than dealing with the screw-on ones, especially when it's like minus 30 out. You don't want to be out there fidgeting, trying to get this lined up. These go on, especially nice ones like this. They're machined really, really nice. See, they're not just garbage. They are made in China, but they're not garbage. They have excellent reviews. I checked them out before I bought them. So, 2-pack of those. I think that was 15 bucks, I'm thinking. I mean, so they're not dirt cheap, but they're not expensive. So yeah, there's that. What else? Oh, these SATA 2 indexing pry bar set. 180-degree lifetime warranty. Part number ST92569. What do we got here? An 8-inch and a 16-inch. Imported by Apex Tool Group. Made in China. Able to reach areas accessible. Blah blah blah. We know the spiel. How do I open this? I need to cut it. If only I had a pry bar or something. Hold on a second. Let me get some cutters. Well, my flush cuts are always disappearing. So let's cut the zip tie here first. That one. And then I think if we Chop that. What's holding that? Good grief. Whoa. Holy moly. Impale myself right here on camera. There we go. Jesus. That was some securely packaged crap. Holy moly. So there we go. So they have a little button on the side. You push that in and you can adjust them. And they lock really securely from what I've been told. Because again, I just got these. So yeah, very handy. I could have used these the other day when I was I prying on? Oh, I was putting on a coolant manifold on my Jetta. I had to pry some stuff out of the way to get it off. This would have been perfect. So yeah, that's the 8-inch. And this is the, what was it? 12-inch, 18-inch, something like that. Again, push in the button. You can position it how you want it. I like these. I like these a lot. It's kind of heavy, which is you kind of want in a pry bar, especially a heavy-ended handle. It gives you a little more force for prying on things. You know, what else do you want to do with pry bars but pry on things? So, yeah, that's about it for now. Another thing I got was a new dash cam. I'll do a separate video on that another time. There's my memory card for the dash cam. And this, I'm going to do a video on this right away. It's a GPS tracking unit for my car. So, yeah, keep watching and I'll post those sometime soon. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll happily answer them. Don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you later.